Phase 1 is started. Chapin is taking the car apart right now.
You can fix it. You can fix it, right?
This is broken here, broken there, all broken there.
And the moldings and all those other pieces. And then, we'll get back to the paint. So this is the thing when, you get a car, sometimes things look good initially, you know what I mean? And, with pictures, we took some pictures of the car originally and, people said it looked pretty good. But again, when you look at it, when you're a perfectionist and you want to get things done the right way, you really look into it. And we were not happy with the clear and then the paint that was underneath there. You know what I mean? So we want to make it that official Milano red, and it's gonna look really good. Like we're very positive about that. We are pretty sure that this is gonna look exactly the way you want it. So when you get this car, you don't have to do anything. Back at it, man. We're back at it. The Unicorn Civic SI. We're back at the body shop. Do some more work on the car that you're gonna win. You know what I mean? Like one of you guys is gonna take this car. So we're actually moving the car up front right now so we can get more done today. Really happy how it's coming out so far, you know what I mean? And I just got a feeling like when the paint work is all finished, that it's gonna look really awesome. So you might ask what we're doing right here, right? So basically in this area right here, Chapin noticed that some of the old paint was lifting, right? Which is no good. We don't like that.
No, I don't like that to clear. Started lifting, so I gotta start from fresh again.
All right, so basically over here, we saw some of the clear lifting. Then he took the, the air gun and blew it, and then the clear started to come off. So he's like, all right, so all over here will get sanded down.
Sand it down, repriming, wet sanding, and ready for paint.
Okay, so all over here gets resanded. And what else?
Resand it,
Yep.
reprimer, and ready for wet sand, and repaint it.
Got you. And again, so that's why when you guys ask, hey, that car looks good, why did you guys even do this? You didn't have to do this. Yes, we did, because Chapin said to me, you know, the car looked, you know, it looked okay, but he felt like the paint could have been a lot better. So that's why we went this far in doing all this. So now we'll get the Milano red paint from Honda. All of that is going to go back on the car, and it will look completely brand new, like 1999.9. Remember we said that. So that's why we do this, because we did not like when we saw the clear lifting over here. And that's basically it. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what we're doing and why we're doing it this way.